Episode 1. How to create a new story on Stary Writing. Stary Writing is a platform where writers from story platforms under Stary Ltd can post their stories integrated onto the apps. Today, I am going to show you how to create a story on Stary Writing. First, go to starywriting.com. If you are a new member, choose how you would like to create your account: Google, Facebook, or email. If you already have an account, just go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will bring you to the Stary Writing homepage. Here on the top right, you can switch to your preferred language. Now click the New Story Plus button. The pop-up message is the posting content guidelines writers need to follow. Then fill out this information for your book. In other tutorials, how to add a cover to your story and how to attend a writing contest, I provide more specific explanations on some of these sections. At the bottom of the page, click the Save button. Read the guidelines. Activate the Confirm button by ticking the checkbox. Hit Confirm. There you go. Your new story has been created on Stary Writing.